Welcome to the world of the singing chef. We gonna make you sing and you taste buds wet. From the Pomeranian River to East Coast, Maurice to the eastern shore to Georgetown City. Akawini, Wakapoti, the hinterlands from the current. Welcome to the world of the singing chef. Let me make you sing and your taste buds wet. Guess what? Today, you see all these lovely ingredients here? Guess what we're gonna be making? Guyanese Spanish rice. Sexy, 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 right? We got garlic, immune system. We got, Guyanese shrimp that we know about there. We have celery. We got Mariman pork, onions, bora, tomato paste, red tomatoes, green tomatoes, and then we got some carrots there, wiri pepper, sweet pepper there, right? And you know this thing here? Do you know when you peel your prawns and stuff like that? When you get some nice prawns and you peel it, the skin that you're taking off there, actually has more flavor than the actual meat itself. So I just made a stock out of it, right? We're gonna put that in. We get it nice and toasty. Remember, with your wok, you need to get it really, really smoky. The Chinese call this the breath of the wok, right? And then we're gonna put in our shrimp to flavor it, right? And then we're gonna put in the rest of the stuff now. Look at that. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous, right? Put in the tomatoes. Basically, you're chucking everything in. And then after we put everything in there like this, I'm gonna stir it together. We put in the wiri pepper, sweet pepper now, the bora. Right, I need to get. Okay, let me just stir this thing together. Look at that. Look how beautiful that looks, right? And you want everything to get really nice and toasty. And you see how beautiful that looks, right? Now that everything's cooked off a little bit, this is the time we're gonna add our tomato paste, right? And I know what you're saying, where the rice there? But the rice is coming, boy. Look, you see that wonderful? All the vegetables in here, it's not just sealing off, but it's toasting, because we want a nice like toasty, smoky flavor to this whole thing. I remember that steam and that smoke that's coming out to the wok is what Chinese people call the breath of the wok, right? Because you want all these flavors to get really nice and concentrated in there. And then now I'm gonna add 1 cup of brown rice. Look at that. And then I gotta have some Caribbean white rice there. This is parboiled rice, which has got lots of nutrients in it, so it's got almost as much flavor and also intensity when it comes to the ingredients and nutrition in there. You need to mix the rice in, right? And you see how the rice is looking translucent like this? This is what you want, right? Oh, look how sexy this looks already. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to eat this, right? Just make sure all the flavors just get spread all over. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna add our chicken, right? Just put the chicken bits there like that. Just put it on top. You don't really need to mix, because all that flavor is gonna boil down into the rice. And now we're gonna add our stock, right? And what you want to do is cover the rice with about a 1/2 inch on the top, right? You see how lovely that looks, right? We're gonna mix everything together. Just fold it. Don't mess around too much with your food. Let it cook, right? Look how beautiful that looks. Oh my gosh. I'm telling you, the flavor in this thing is like, it's out of this world. Oh my gosh, right? And I'm gonna add just a little bit more water because I want that to just barely cover the top. And you see how beautiful that looks? That's what we want. Now we're gonna leave this here. This is gonna take 40 minutes to cook, right? It's gonna boil through and everything like that. And we'll come back and we'll show you the finished product. This is Guyanese Spanish rice. Good for your immunity and good for life. And look at this. Isn't this magnificent? Guyanese Spanish rice. Oh my gosh. Oh, I can't wait to talk into this, man. Watch. Just take a little bit and put it in your plate. Don't be greedy. Don't be covetous, as they say in Guyana, right? Just need a little bit. All right. First, I'm gonna taste the chicken. Oh my God. The dry shrimp that we put in there is really coming through, and for some reason it marries. This is the way that they cook it in Spain, right? They put fish, chicken, they even put beef in it sometimes, you know. But that flavor is really coming through. And the rice. Oh, hot, hot, hot. No. Because we mix the brown rice and the white rice together, it's got this wonderful, almost al dente. Al dente is to teeth, means that it's slightly, where you don't overcook it, it's just perfectly cooked, but it's slightly under, so you get this real nutty flavor from the rice, right? Now this is about as perfect as a rice dish, right? You're getting your chicken, we got garlic, onions, everything like that. You're talking about a lovely thing you can feed to your family. Simple meal. This is one pot, and you can feed that to your family, right? And this really boosts. These are the type of foods that are going to boost your immune system. So keep tuning in to the Singing Chef, and we're going to show you a lot more recipes like this. How delicious, man. I love it. Bye. We'll see you next time.
Welcome to the world of the Singing Chef. We gon' make you sing and you taste buds red. From the Pomeranian River to East Coast, my beast to the eastbound shore to Georgetown.